Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about Facebook's locked profiles, how and what can you see in them. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, open your Play Store or App Store. We need to make sure the app is updated or at least have one of the newer versions, because lock-in profiles or the locked profile feature is kind of new. If you have a very old app, you might have problems during the process. Let's go ahead and open the Facebook app. Of course, you have to be logged in. Let's find a locked account or a locked profile. Let's go ahead and enter this one right here. And as you can see, guys, as soon as I try to open a locked account or locked profile, Facebook blocks me from even recording the screen, because you cannot be taking screenshots or recording your screen once you open a locked profile. Now, what you can see in a locked profile is the information that's in front of you, maybe the profile picture, but you cannot open it. You can tap on about right here, see where they work, the places they live in or they've been, if they allow you to see that. Now, that's about it basically. You cannot unlock the profile or see what's inside it unless you decide to add that person, and only once they accept your friend request you can see what's in their profile. And even then, if they choose to set something as private or only me, you won't be able to see it. As you can see, this is a public account. I can see it without a problem. I have friends on Facebook that they have their accounts locked, but because I'm friends with them, I can go ahead and open their accounts, maybe click on their profile picture and extend it, zoom in it, however I want. And that is basically it, guys. You cannot really unlock a Facebook profile unless you're friends with the person or the owner of that account. It's a pretty cool feature, to be honest. I'm glad that there is no way you can unlock a Facebook profile, because it gives you more privacy and more security in your account. And I really advise you to turn on or lock your Facebook profile if you care about your privacy more, so that strangers cannot really be stalking you online. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.